Alright, working on the Lexus today. Gonna need to do the rear shock. I'm gonna do one rear shock. This one is super blown. On the highway I get some really bad vibration, you know, above 60 miles an hour, and this one is super blown. I'll pull off the wheel in a minute and I'll show you. But what I'm going to replace it with is I'm going to replace it with this one of these units here. This is something just real inexpensive that I got off of Amazon. I didn't want to go with anything terribly expensive because I'm planning on replacing the suspension one day with some coilovers, but so I went with this unit here, which appears, the box looks good. The strut itself looks pretty good. Doesn't look too cheap. I think I paid like $40 for it, 41 or something like that. It was on Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description box below. But yeah, the auto parts stores really don't carry anything for this car, so everything kind of has to be ordered. Like your KYB, and you know, they're around $80 a piece, and your bill signs are $150 a piece. So not too bad looking for 40 bucks. The little nut. Go ahead and get that wheel off and get on it. But yeah, here we go. So you can see how blown the strut is. See all the oil everywhere, but it is mega blown. Even the lower control arm is full of oil. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work my way from the top down, and what you're going to want to do is pull down your trunk liner. The top of your strut is right there, and you're going to remove these nuts here. They're 14 millimeters. Got these 12s right here. The 19 millimeter. And the sway bar link, I'm going to need to disconnect this too. coil spring compressors. It's gonna be a 17 millimeter and a metric 6. shock or strut on 2004 Lexus IS300. Yeah, I bent up the backing plate a little bit, you know, yeah, like, trying to get the strut out, but you know, just bend it back a little bit, not a big deal. Just make sure it's not rubbing the strut, the rotor. But yeah, if you made it this far in the video, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button for me. And I'll leave some links down in the description box for, you know, the tools and the parts, like always. So check those out, and yeah, if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment box below. And you guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.